Alright, so today we're talking about measurements, okay? And if we want them to be in the form of a fraction, then we're going to need to figure out what our bottom number is going to be. What's our denominator, okay? Latavia, notice that, what did you end up with for A? 1/2. And how did you end up with it? Because it's in the middle. So she can see that it's in the middle, but to figure out how we came up with 1/2, we can do a couple different things. K squared, what did you do to find A?
I did not do that problem.
You did, what's that?
I did not do that problem.
You didn't do that one? Who remembers? Anything about?
We need to do a little curved lines saying
Oh, some jumping, right?
jump.
So we need to figure out from 0 to 1, how many jumps does it take, or how many spaces do we have between, and that's going to be our bottom number. Okay?
That's 4.
So we jump from 0, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. And that's our bottom. Okay? So everything that we do is going to be out of fourths now on this line. So when we look at A, that's going to be our top number. Okay? How many jumps does it take us to get to A? 2. Right. And then if we reduce that, we can divide by 2 because they're both even, right? And if we divide both the top and the bottom by 2, we end up with Latavia's answer of 1/2. Right? So now, looking at B, we're able to tell that it's right at a number, right? What number is B right at? Nathan? What'd you get for B?
1/2. Let's see, it's 1.1.
Okay, 0.1. But here we're talking about fractions, so we're talking about whole numbers and parts of numbers. So when we look at 1, that's just going to be our answer right there. It's sitting right at 1. Okay? C is a little different now, right? We pass a whole number. Okay, our whole number is going to be 1. So we write a big 1 here. And then we want to figure out how many extra parts or what fraction after 1 is C sitting at. So we remember we're talking about what's our bottom number going to be? It stays the same. What was our bottom number up here when we started?
4.
4. We're talking about fourths, right? 4 total jumps between each number. And how many does it take to get to C from here? 1. So that's our top number. Okay. Same with D now. We're past 1. Right? So that's our whole number. Let's see if we can move D here. No. So D, whole number is what?
1.
1. What's our bottom number going to be?
4.
4. We're talking about fourths. And how many jumps does it take to get to D?
2.
2. Alright, there we have it. Let's stop that.